soon as I heard those people say, "Yo, he's cheating! You're cheating! You're cheating!"
No.
Shotguns only, dumbass.
I'm not a dumbass. You're a dumbass bitch. You're a bitch.
So you big dog, homie.
That's why you're fat. That's why you're fat, bro. That's why your family fat.
Who, me?
Yo. Snipers.
Snipers only because this guy's cheating.
Cheating? I'm not even cheating. I was using a shotgun, bro.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah,
dumbass.
One time. And that changed. Oh my god, I used the pistol one time, then I changed to a shotgun. Bro, turn up to the Odyssey.
I don't give a fuck how old he is. He can go suck dick.
No.
He can go suck dick. Ready up.
Okay, Nick.
Cheater. You fucking cheater. Fuck you.
Nigga, I can put you, nigga. Yeah. Hey, I got Kendrick Lamar. He is. Because he's black. Yup, he is. Not me, bro.
Yo, ready up.
Nigga, I'm ready. Nigga, I don't care, nigga.
Ready up.
Nigga, I'm ready.
It's a draw. Stand down.
You're cheating. Yo.
Hey, my bad.
Hell no. This shit.
My bad.